Italy is once again hit by extreme weather, with a series of powerful storms bringing heavy rain, flooding, and hail across several regions. In Corleone, Palermo, rainfall intensity reached a staggering 70 mm per hour, causing flooding in various areas. Small to medium-sized hail was also reported in the region. Similar conditions occurred in Valle Stretta and Bardonecchia, in the Turin Alps, where hailstorms disrupted daily activities.
Facciamo surf.
In Frabosa Soprana, Cuneo, hail and floods inundated streets, while in the area between Stroppo and Demonte, thunderstorms with hail continued to strike. The most severe situation was recorded in Genzano di Lucania, Potenza, where 104.6 mm of rainfall caused flooding on the SP8 road between Firenze and Banzi after more than 100 mm of rain fell in just 2 hours. Southern Italy was not spared either. Noto in Siracusa was hit by a heavy hailstorm, while in Catania, torrential rain turned streets into rivers. Footage from Vela captured the intensity of the ongoing storm. Meanwhile, in Livigno, heavy rainfall triggered a landslide and debris flow along the road to Passo del Gallo, adding to the list of serious impacts from the latest severe storms across Italy.